Garlic, the most effective cure for pneumonia, coughs, colds, ear infections, and much more. The garlic oil ointment is an excellent way to fight bacteria, fungal, or viral infections. Due to the potent antibacterial and antiviral qualities, garlic has been famous since ancient time. Most of its medicinal properties are a result of its compound, allicin, which is released when garlic is finely chopped or crushed. You can get the highest level of allicin if you press and mince garlic cloves into a smooth paste. The garlic oil ointment offers all the powerful antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and antioxidant effects of allicin and prevents and treats various health issues. It is a natural remedy against colds, coughs, pneumonia, ear infections, and much more. Here is how to make it at home. Ingredients: 5 fresh peeled garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Instructions: warm the coconut oil in order to melt it and add the olive oil. Then crush or mince the garlic cloves and add them to the oil mixture. Leave the ointment aside for half an hour and then strain out the garlic. Pour the garlic oil into a suitable container or a smaller jar. After an hour, the garlic oil ointment will turn into a thick, soft paste. Raw, cold-pressed coconut oil is a rich source of lauric acid, which is also a powerful antibacterial and antiviral agent. If rubbed into the skin, the ointment will transfer raw garlic oil directly into the bloodstream. It can be used to treat various health issues such as you should apply it to the feet of your children or infants to fight infections. To fight acne, add a few drops of garlic oil to a mud pack and apply the smooth paste on your face. Leave it to act for 10 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. To cure the sores, you can apply it directly in the mouth. Then apply a few drops of it in the ear to soothe an ear infection, or rub it on the chest daily to fight pneumonia, coughs, and colds. To almost instantly relieve toothache, sprinkle a few drops of garlic oil on a cotton ball. Press it in the affected tooth area and hold it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also apply a few drops in the nostrils to treat sinus infections. In the case of an athlete's foot or jock itch, apply the oil on the infected area. Additionally, massage the scalp with the potent garlic oil ointment to prevent hair loss. If you found this video to be helpful, please click the like button and the subscribe button, as you will find more videos like this which can be helpful to you in the future.